Hey guys, Lila's Tools here. I hope you guys are all having a great day. Nice and early in the morning today, Sunday morning. Oh, it's good to be out in the shop, and we've got an awesome tool haul. So let's get right into it. Start down in the bottom left corner where you can't quite see. I picked up this guy. I saw this in a bin and I was like, a strange handle, but I noticed the handle and it is a Proto. And there's your part number. This is a quarter spinner handle that someone cut down. But it just so happens to fit real nice just like that. And almost forgot, and for socket retention it fits just good. Just fine. I actually had this up on the socket tray already. I found this guy, look at that. Sorry about the hands. As you can see, I cleaned up some of the stuff here so we could see. This is a snap-on, deep 7mm USA, some modern snap-on. About a $32 socket. So there's that guy. Put that right back where it belongs on the socket tray. So there's that. Also, while we're up here, I picked up this guy. This is a old Matco, brand new, never used. USA made Matco. Looked up the equivalent part number to this. This is about a $30-some or $20-some adapter, $7 And what's cool here, I'll use my screwdriver here. Pop this guy out. So you have a pin detent and a ball detent. So you can put this in here like so. Get in there. And have a pin detent for your impact sockets so they will not come off, or swap it around, and sorry about that, and your adapter is never coming off of here, but your sockets can come off fairly easily. So I'll just show you. Here's a snap-on socket. We line the ball. Oh, we need a 3/8. Never mind. There's a Proto 3/8 chrome socket. So you see there, it goes on good. Don't use chrome on impact, especially a 1/2 inch impact, but there's that guy. That's pretty sweet. That can sit down here somewhere. Okay, and we got some awesome vintage finds. Some of the things that a lot of you guys that have been in the game a lot longer than me probably have many of, but this is new to me, and these are just amazing. I got myself one of these old adjustables, monkey wrench. Some people call these a pipe wrench, whatever you want to call them. Look at that, it's got a tire spoon on the end. It's locked up right now. That's the only mark I could find. It's 11 inch. Let's just confirm. That seems about right. It is exactly 11 inches. I'm just so happy to have this. It's really, I don't know, it's sort of, I feel like I've been initiated into the vintage tool world now that I have this guy. And to go along with this guy, well, we have this, but these two I picked up at the same time. Look at this. This is what they call a tractor wrench. So you got a wrench. What used to be a wrench. That's cracked or broke off, obviously, which is crappy, but it is what it is. Not sure when they had rectangular, is that for a plug or something, but this would be a square plug. I wonder, is that that'd be 3/4 of an inch, I believe. So yeah, very cool. And DEERINO or Q. So it might be like Deere for John Deere, like Deere Inc. Incorporated. I'm not sure, guys, but very happy to find this. Got these two for $5. So there's that. Also, another tractor or agricultural wrench. What a beauty. This is a case. It actually has like a part number. It is a 029W case. Have lots of, not mine, but around here on the farmland and the prairie. Lots of case equipment, agricultural equipment, so it's very cool to have. So that's for the super vintage. Let's just go up from the left here. Oh, jeez. You guys are probably looking right at me. I gotta be more careful. Maybe we actually gotta invest in a proper tripod, huh? Well, if that was a face reveal, hello. That's how I look at 7 a.m. in the morning on a Sunday. Here we have a old Western Germany made 7/16 3/8 double open end wrench. I cleaned just the writing on these tools just so we could all see them easy for the video. This is a chrome vanadium 1011 double open end, and here is a Dowie dot chrome vanadium made in Germany. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm pretty sure this is a actually this could be a Ghidorah, it could be a Dowie dot or an Allura. They're all very similar, but this is definitely a older German wrench. So there's those guys. Nice finds. We got a metric wrench today, or yesterday. This is a 12mm Thorson, manufactured USA, model number 2010. I believe we picked up some other metric Thorson at some point. And we got like almost like new old stock. These are gorgeous. Old Grey Canada wrenches. Say 3/8. Like brand new. Pardon me. And a 7/16. I'll say Grey uses good steel, but they're even to this day, to an extent, they're like dyes and for forging and all that. They're just not that great. But I mean, like you can see right from the factory how this came out. Like the chrome is, and their chrome is very thin. It does peel a lot, but good steel, and these last forever. So it's cool. This here, I got this for 25 cents. A Performance Tool Code Retriever. Used on late model GM vehicles, tool retrieves error codes from 3 different computer applications: engine computer, 4-wheel link, 4-wheel anti-lock brake computer, rear wheel anti-lock brake computer. Yeah. So I'm not exactly sure what this is for, but if I ever need work on a GM and I don't know what tool I need and I might need this, you never know. So there's that guy. This isn't anything special, but it is a China-made hook, like Sling Hook, whatever you want to call it. There's a proper name for these. Anyway, it's I believe it's rated for 3 1/4 ton. That's more than I'll ever be home with it, but this is just good for toe straps and the like. And it was very cheap. We got a little bit of hardware. These are nice. These are 10/24 by 5/8. Little hex head flat screws. Very cool. Those are $3 as you can see. We'll go over our sockets real quick. We got just a Taiwanese 3/8 jet hex bit. We got a Craftsman USA 12-point swivel 3/4. Might be a duplicate of something I already have, but that's alright. And we have a 12-point 1/2 inch deep 1-inch socket. This goes right over there on the orange Hansen socket tray I got recently. So that's that guy. We skipped over a wrench. Let's get to this guy. I don't know if there's anything special or not. It's a drop forged S50C. I don't know what's a part number, if that's a steel. It's a 21mm DTS. It's just very cool. It's like a spanner wrench. It's very nice. It's very light. It is magnetic. I was thinking it could be aluminum, but it is very light. That's neat. There's that guy. Where to next? Let's go over this guy. So if you guys look at my Instagram post where I posted this haul, this ratchet was put together backwards. The selector was on the same side as the anvil, and there was also no ball or spring in here. So luckily, I have an extra 3/8 snap-on rebuild kit for one of their old, I think, 32 ratchets. And I decided just to see, I popped the kit open, and the spring and ball fit perfect in here. And this is a gorgeous working Grey Canada 3/8 ratchet now. And we can pop this Craftsman socket on it. Let me listen. Yeah, very, very nice. I'm proud to own this ratchet, I'll say that. It's all cleaned up. I cleaned it up good. Super lubed. Nice and tight, but not like bad tight, if that makes sense. You guys know what I mean. Definitely a lot of back drag. It's not a, you know, a snap-on 80 tooth or anything by any means, but it is a very nice ratchet, and I'm happy to have this in the collection. Next up, how the heck did I find these guys? The one pawn shop I hit up, I got this guy, these 3 wrenches, I think a torsion, I don't know, a bunch of this stuff, and it was all like a lot of German stuff. So I found these Vera Hex Plus ball end hex. Can you believe that? Yeah. And we're just missing the 4 and a 5. This is just awesome. So I have the, where are they? They're over here. The color-coded set. You can see they're the same thing. The different hex profile. They see. I guess. Well, what's the difference? Is these are hex all the way. These ones are rounded. You can see that. So very, very cool. These would not be cheap, and they're in great condition. So I got those guys. Before we get into that, I know you're all waiting. I picked up another long Elky. What's special about this? Well, if you guys remember a few hauls ago, we picked up this awesome old vintage socket set that has this ratchet here. Listen to that. I love that. And you can see what its drive is, and it has this Elky here. If we pull this out, you can see a difference in size. The big one is the new one. Look at that. So take one of these gorgeous old USA made sockets, pop it on there, and we have like a breaker bar now almost. How awesome is that? Or a long extension. Whatever you got to do, you can do it. I thought that was pretty sweet, so I got that guy. And it has the ball detents on each end. That's what makes it special, I suppose. So that's just an addition to that old set. Not something I'm really going to use, but you know, it's for the collection, right? So there's that guy. Pardon me. And let's go over the punches real quick. Punches and chisels and the like. We got 3 like new Protos. Proto USA 5/16 punch. Proto 3/16 USA punch. I think that's a pin punch. Correct me if I'm wrong, that's a pin punch, I believe. For like roll pins, like that. So it seats in. You could probably push that out. And we also got a, what would that be, a tapered punch? This one is a Proto USA 3/8. So those are nice. We got a older, or not, it doesn't actually have to be older, but this is a Grey Canada. The very funky stamping. A D32. We got this nice old Dasco. Little nail set. Isn't that neat? You don't whack your fingies as much. Like Dasco. What does that say? Oh. 697. Yeah, 697. So there's that guy. And we got 2 more beauties. Look at this old Stanley, made in Canada. Is that 1130 seconds? 130 seconds. 130 seconds. And 3/4 number 11 alloy. And just a beauty. It's a nail set. And this guy as well. It's a nail set. This was not marked at the top at all. Down here we can see Stanley. And down here it says wear goggles. I believe this is a US or Canada made. It's definitely vintage. It's not one of the new China ones. But yeah, guys, that's the haul. No, wait. Oh, one item up here. Just a Irwin quick grip clamp. Works good. Missing the rubber pads, but this works great for just, you know, clamping stuff to the bench. So there's that guy. It's real cheap. Okay, let's go over the big dog here. This is the 2760-20. This is the M18 Surge hydraulic brushless M18 volt impact driver. Let's have a listen. So I got this guy and his battery. This is just a little 1.5 amp. Tool overall great condition. I cleaned it up, used some isopropyl alcohol. It's definitely used, but I don't think it was too abused. I think the person was a lefty, based on it was way more worn on this side, so I think they were lefty and setting it down like this. Or actually, hold on, I'm not setting it down. The belt clip. No, I think they were righty. Never mind, the belt clip is here, so they were putting it down on their right, and this was rubbing on their pants and work tool belt and whatever. It's got it had drywall dust in it. Had some adhesive and stuff was up here. Some of the white paint came off. That's fine. I've wanted one of these for a long time. These retail for $229 Canadian. A little 1.5 amp hour battery retails for about $80. So we're over $300 there. And Pawn Shop had these two together for $99. And I pawned some things. I traded some things in, and I ended up getting this, some of the stuff here, and the battery, etc. for $0 and got $20 in my pocket. This whole haul cost me about $10 out of pocket. And you know what, just for fun, let's quickly drive a screw. I want you guys to hear what this thing sounds like. It's so interesting. And it's so quiet. So, I'll turn the heater off real quick. Just grab a piece of scrap. Ugh. I just want you to hear, so it's just a little clasp screw, K-lathe, whatever you want to call it. Listen to this. So if I could drive it slow and just listen. How neat is that, eh? We'll go full bore. Yeah, so there it is, guys. Very happy to own this. I wanted one for a long time, but didn't need it, but it was a want, and I got it at a great price. So that's the haul, guys. I really do hope you enjoyed. You stuck around till the end. Say the paint is gone. I really appreciate y'all watching and subscribing and everything. We're almost at 220 subscribers. Might have hit it today. So I want to thank you guys so much. 2 thumbs up. Instagram down in the description, etc. Again, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy.